Oh, Ria.
What now?
There's one shit left.
What?
To cut your hair.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be playing a game, but with a twist. So during the game, my brother is going to pick up a chit, and that will decide whether I get a forfeit or a challenge during the game. I hope we don't get any bad challenge or forfeit.
ओ बेटा वो तो तेरे को टाइम ही बताएगा.
There's even green chili. Green chili of all things. I hope he doesn't gets that shit.
I will get that shit. और कैट फूड भी खाना पड़ेगा.
What the hell? क्या लिखा है forfeit में?
There's cutting your hair.
That's not gonna happen. Steam.
Guess who's back? Back again.
Oh shit! I should have seen that.
Ria.
Yeah, he's attacking Raju.
Oh, Ria. Knock knock.
Not right now, Raj.
Knock knock.
No, you're पकाने inside.
क्या बोली?
पका रहा है तू.
Bro.
Let me attack, man.
There's no attack. Ria, मेरे बारे में. Ria, tell me some nice things about me.
No.
Tell me some nice things.
No. Let me concentrate, man.
No.
Sorry.
No. Here's your first shit.
No. I conceded. Shit, Raj,
This is
stop
your
distracting
first
me. What? Like, this is rigged. This is actually rigged.
Eat green chili. Eat green.
That is rigged, guys. This is so rigged. Just a bite.
Not just a bite.
Just a bite.
Eat green chili.
It's rigged.
It's
Please
not
write
rigged.
in the comments below it is rigged. I just have some
I
time
have this
left.
much shits. It's not rigged.
I hate chili. Just a bite. Decent? This much?
कितनी है बता? नहीं और.
This much? I'll have half of this. Half.
और. I'm so happy she got green chili. क्या हो गया रिया? क्या हो गया? नहीं पानी वानी नहीं पीना. अभी से ही फट गई. क्या हो गया? You were going to tell nice things about me, right? Will you say nice things about me?
Fuck you, Raj.
क्या? वापस शेड उठा लूंगा. रिया.
Oh. I need ice cream.
You need another chat. Riya, tell me some good things about me.
Fuck you, Raj.
Now another chat. Let's go.
No, Raj. Raj, you're the best brother in this entire
No,
world.
no. Another chit.
I can't fucking pass. What the fuck is this, man?
Shoot from outside the box.
I can't even play properly right now.
Shoot from outside the box. If you score from inside the box,
Not valid.
not valid kya? You have to score an own goal then.
Okay. एक तो we are mispassing this fucking chili is burning my mouth.
Riya, tell me some good things about me.
You're the world's best. I can't lie, man.
क्या? You can't lie. Chit also doesn't lie.
Outside the box?
नहीं है outside the
It
box.
was outside the box.
No.
It was on the line.
Yeah,
No, man. You just gave. How many times will you do it?
but you can't lie. I also can't lie. I'm enjoying this. Look, next time.
Oh, I tried out.
Riya, chit उठाया. One more challenge again.
What?
Lemon shot.
I hate him. I can't even concentrate.
Pee.
During the game.
हाँ, pee. Oh, Riya, tell me some nice things about me.
Outside the box.
क्या?
I am trying to score outside the box, okay? At least let me equalize, man.
Oh, Riya.
We could have scored this one if the challenge wasn't outside the box. At least that lemon did some good. But it's so sour. But at least the...
At least, what at least?
It is all rigged. Ek to he has written all the chits.
It's not me. Oh, Riya.
No, why did I pass that?
Oh, Riya, tell me some good things about me.
Raj, you're not letting me concentrate.
Okay, you need a chit, I guess.
No, I don't need a chit right now.
Okay.
I need to score.
Riya is telling me she needs a chit and here's the chit again. Play with touch and flick settings.
What the fuck? I've never done that.
चल बाहर मार बॉल.
भाई ऑलरेडी एक तो हार रही हूँ.
बाहर मार.
एक अटैक करने दे.
नहीं, बाहर. रिया चीटिंग मत कर. बाहर मार.
Okay, fine.
क्या चीटिंग कर रही है?
Okay, fine. If I get the ball now, I'll
No,
do it out.
you are doing cheating.
Fine,
You
I'll
pay
do
me.
it out. I'll do it out. Wait. Let me pass it to my player and do it.
Cheating, huh? Now for this cheating, I will pick up another chit.
What? What?
No. Wait.
Touch and flick settings पे जा.
Play settings.
Score a header goal. Outside the box, score a header goal. Oh,
Where's touch and flick?
touch and... Are you dumb? Fuck?
Oh, so rude.
ये क्या है तेरा?
क्या? Now it's better. It's much better. Touch and flick.
अभी देखो, you have to score an outside the goal box का, and maybe it should be an header.
How do you score a header outside the box? What the fuck is this challenge? At least give me something else.
Okay, you want another chit, I guess. Oh, Riya.
No, cancel one.
No cancelling.
How do you score a header outside the box? Acha, chota. What the hell is this? Eh? What the fuck is this? I can't understand anything.
Okay, you can't even understand my language.
How do I
also.
pass? How do I pass? What the fuck is this? I can't understand shit.
Oh, Riya.
How was that even a shot? Where is the pass thing?
I want to use my another chit.
How do you through pass? What is this? is this going clear? What the
Another
fuck is this?
shit. Ice. रुको आइस लेकर आता हूँ.
No, what is ice? What do you mean ice? This, I can't pass. For how long is this touch and flick, man? This is so stupid. This is so stupid. Why did I do this? How do you pass in this?
Ice.
Raj, don't do that. Raj.
I'm loving this challenge.
Fucko.
Oria.
I hate.
Another shit. ये नहीं निकालना नहीं है. You don't have to remove it.
It's already cold. The AC is on.
Another challenge. Play. क्या है ये? Play 3 at the back. चल हटा. 3 at the back कर दे. हाँ. चल.
Wait. Oh no, let me at least adjust that. This is so stupid. I can't touch and click bus.
नहीं. You
Why?
have to play it for the whole game.
For whole game, what the fuck are you mad? I can't even understand. How do you pass? How do you pass? Oh, got it. Learned it. Oh, why did I pass there?
How would I know?
It's in this ice, man.
Oria.
Shut up, man. Shut up. Stop it. This is fucking nice.
Oh.
Guys, help me. I want to win one, man. This is Division 4. So stupid.
Oria.
Don't you dare get lost.
Close your eyes for 10 seconds and play. चल. वैसे भी आग बंद करके खेल या खोल के सेम ही है. हार ही है.
I fucking hate you. This ice.
You know what?
Look at this. He had this much pieces of ice inside. He had put this much pieces.
Ria, I used all my sets in one game only.
Get lost. Raju Kaju. You know what? We are just going to end this video. He did us dirty. Please, just like I have no words right now. If you want to see part 2, please comment down below.
Please, part 2. I want part 2. I want this part 2 again.
Please, no. You can reveal your face, by the way, Raj. Come on. Come.
Hut. Bhai Saab, if you want part 2, comment Raj OP in the chat.
I hate this guy. He did so terrible things and that too. Whatever, man. So, guys, please comment down below if you want to see part 2. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And yeah,
Bye.
bye.
Oria.
What now?
There's one shit left
What?
to cut your hair.
Eh?